Hello,
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm very good, thank you. Yes. Did you have a long day today?
Yeah, kind of long day actually. At night, I just went to shop for some shopping for my
Okay.
daily groceries.
Mm, hmm. What's it
Yeah,
like when you go shopping? Is it like packed with people, lots of people, or not many people?
actually, where I go, it's packed of people all the time. But I usually go at the very late at night, so it's like
Mm,
you will see very less crowd,
right.
and you don't have to be in a queue for a very long time.
Mm-hmm. See, that's
That's
good. I was gonna ask about that because every time I go grocery shopping, there's so many people and it's huge lines because the shopping center or the grocery store closes at like 10 or 9 p.m. every day. So we can't go really late or really early because it opens at 10 in the morning. So it's constantly packed with people. And it can be like when I get back home, I'm just like, oh, thank God. Like, it's just a lot.
so.
It's hard to even be without a mask. You can't.
mm,
Yeah, yeah. But I'm glad you choose a time. I'm glad the grocery stores are open there till late. That's pretty
I think
cool.
they are open till 11 at night.
Wow, that's really late. No, they don't open till that late here. I would
I
probably go really late too.
I go there for regular groceries,
Yeah,
spinach,
regular
kind
groceries.
of
Hmm. Hmm.
fruits.
Yeah, good. That's good. It's good stuff that you need in your diet. Like I need to get, actually, when was it? 2 days ago, I got spinach and some fruit. Um, it's probably something that does finish pretty soon. I don't know. I guess people are healthy. And yeah, so sometimes I can't find enough spinach, at least of the ones that I like. So I try to get as much spinach as I can. I usually make smoothies, like for energy or for protein. I make with spinach and pineapple and some. I couldn't find mango this time, but I'm gonna put some apples. But it's good. It's good for energy. I think I need
Yeah.
it.
So you
Yeah.
follow some kind of specific diet, or it's like
Um,
anything?
I'm not like on a regimen, like I'm not on a strict diet at the moment, but I am trying to include healthier choices in my diet, like protein. I need to add more eggs into my diet, have more natural fat, like avocado or
Avocado.
peanut butter or just nuts, those types of things because I'm trying to gain a little bit of weight, like, and not in terms of fat. Like, I'm not trying to gain fat. I'm just trying
Means
to gain some muscle weight that I'm
mm,
I'm I'm losing, like strength and core body weight. So, you probably will laugh at me if you were to see me do exercise right now because I can't last more than 10 minutes and my body feels weak and I don't feel like I have energy and that's a lot have it has a lot to do with my diet and my exercise routine. So in order for me to do more exercise when I don't have energy, I need to put energy in my body through my food. So
so
that's everything. Yeah.
so you don't go. So don't you go for running or jogging? Do you
No,
go?
not
Why?
really. I don't I don't have the time and I also live in an area where it's all buildings and it's not a very safe area like for me. I would have to drive to a specific area to go jogging or walking or running.
That's
And it's just a little bit of a I can't go on my own, and sometimes I can't find people that want to go jogging with me. So which is fine. But like I think the majority of times is just the fact that I don't want to go all the way down. Like I don't have 2, 3, 4 hours, in hand. Like maybe I have 1 hour to do exercise. So I prefer to do exercise at home, which I do, but I don't work out as much I should be because my energy levels are so low. So, and my strength, my core body strength is in a really bad state. So I cannot continue with the routine normally, you know? So I know that I need to put in some effort. I'm trying to buy some protein. I'm getting it sent down from another city, um, some protein to help me with with gaining a little bit of weight. I'm a little bit underweight at the moment, so just a little bit, not too much. But I know that I need to get to gain some muscle again, and some strength, and some energy, and all of that. So, so I bought a lot of spinach last time. My last grocery shopping, I bought all these good healthy foods that are gonna help
Actually,
me.
when I was in college, when somebody want to gain weight, what they used to do, I think any source of carbs, for example, banana or sweet potato,
Yes.
and
Uh-huh.
then they will have a full glass of kind of whey protein, they,
Mhm.
and they
Mhm.
drink whey protein plus some good source of carbs. This is
Exactly.
how.
Mhm. I mean, I ordered a protein, but I think it's gonna arrive maybe probably in a month or so. So in the
Oh,
meantime, I have to try find other means of trying to add protein into my diet. So it could be like, first of all, because I haven't been eating so well, I've only been eating 1 to 2 foods per day. So like the amount of calories the intake on calories is not enough. So I do need to include more calories in my diet, um, but protein as well. So I'm banana is like banana fruits, healthy means of protein like spinach, eggs. Um, I have like a list of things that I saw, but I'm
but
gonna
but
try and start soon. Hmm.
but what's the reason that because you already know, right? You are not having proper diet, and is it because of your timetable or your schedule that you don't get time to actually prepare your food or have food on time? Is it the reason?
Yes, it's time, but I think it's also it's a like my diet, for example. Like I feel that I've been eating fine. I don't feel like I needed to make any changes or anything. But for my for my daily intake, I've been eating way too low on calories. And so obviously, if you don't have calories in your body or carbs, then you don't have energy. And
Yes.
um and it's all like this cycle in your body with diet and with exercise. So obviously I have to make the time. I have to make the time to eat healthier, to do exercise, because if not, then I'm not going to be productive with my
Yeah.
work and with other things. It has a huge effect on other parts of your life. So and I think I told you I was feeling sick for a while.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
was feeling really sick, obviously, because my body is like, I need food, I need carbs, I need I need calories. So and your immune system is so low if you are not properly,
Hmm.
feeding it, keeping your immune system up and things like that. So for me lately, it's like my grocery shopping looks a lot like someone who's on a really strict diet. But it's not like that. I just need to fix a few things here and there, drink some more protein, have some more, more calories in my body, and it should be fine. Yeah. So that's all. But
So, so
yeah.
do you stay alone, or you're staying with some of your friends, or you're married and staying with your husband? How you guys do?
It's the time. It's the I'm just not hungry. I need to start getting used to eating more because I just don't. It's not like I'm hungry and I don't eat. It's because I'm not hungry most of the time. I only get hungry once or twice per day, like maybe breakfast and lunch. But dinner, I'm not hungry at all. And then I try to do exercise, and it makes me even more, tired. And I live at home with my husband. Like he has his own routine in a way that he has protein, he does exercise, but he goes out with the boys and does, he goes to a gym. And I'm just happy at home. Like, I'm just like, I'll do my workout here. And I don't need protein because, I had this idea that protein makes you fat. Like, only guys should be taking protein, because they want to get bigger and
Yeah,
muscular.
yeah. Actually,
And yeah,
it's a wrong perception actually that if women take protein, they get muscles or fat. I think a normal guy or girl, they should be taking at least for example, if your weight is, for example, 60 kgs, you should be taking 60 grams of protein per day. That's your body need. It's
right.
depending on according to your body weight, you should have your protein also. I have
Hmm.
searched for all these things a lot, so that's why I know. We actually we were following this thing, I think 2 3 years back. So we
Right.
actually calculated everything, your micronutrition, your macros, and your the your protein and carbs, then a lot of stuff.
Wow, yeah, because my height, for example, is one. I'm really short. I'm like 153, 154. I'm really short. So I was like, okay, I shouldn't be weighing so much, but my ideal weight should be 50. And I'm weighing like 45, sometimes 43. It's really like it is
Yeah,
an amount that I need to stick to 50. Like, I can't go lower than that.
yeah,
I shouldn't be.
yeah,
Yeah, so the last time I weighed myself, I was like weighing 44, 43, and I was like, okay, I lost a lot of weight. And this is probably why I'm having a lot of bad energy phases where I'm so tired. It's all the diet, and, and my body is like not functioning well. So,
yeah. You
yeah.
actually to actually get hungry, your body should be doing some kind of physical activities, right? For example, it can be a walk or brisk walk, or I think running is the best thing. You can run for 1 or 2. For example, you can run 1 kilometer in the morning, and
Mhm.
evening you can also run another mile. So you have pretty good amount of running in a day. At the same
Yeah.
time, when you actually run or walk, depending on your activity, you should divide your meals. Maybe instead of 2 times a day, you can eat same meal 4 times a day. That's how
Mhm.
your body, this what we call metabolism, works. So in your society, you don't have any you know activity area where you can play, for example, any game, or don't you have swimming pool in your society so that you can swim for half an hour?
In the
Yeah.
building that I'm in? No, this building is like super simple. It's just a car park and building. Like, there's nothing else. But we are planning on moving. Actually, we're planning on moving somewhere lifestyle.
What exactly the place where you actually now? It's which country you told me? Actually, I forgot.
We're in Ecuador.
Ecuador. Yeah.
We're like close to the mountains. Like, we're not in the city.